Hi, in this tutorial, I will show you the authorization process of MailerLite and send data through bit integrations. At first, open the bit integrations dashboard and click on Create Integration button to create an integration. Now select any trigger of your preference that you want to connect with MailerLite. I am selecting Gravity Form. After completing these steps, the actions will appear on a new page. Now search and select MailerLite from the actions pages that you want to integrate with your selected task or form. Here you can set the integration name of your preference. Here you have to set the API token. To get Access API token, go to the MailerLite dashboard. Then navigate to Integration and create an API token. After completing the steps, an API token will be generated, and copy the API token and paste it into the integrations dashboard. And click on the Authorize button. After successfully authorized, then click on the Next button. After successfully authorization, you will find the Map field option. Email is a mandatory field in your MailerLite account. Now map the mandatory field with the corresponding field in your form or task. By enabling group action, you can organize your contacts on the MailerLite account. Now select the group from the drop-down option, which you have already created on your MailerLite account. By enabling type action, you can specify the contacts type on your MailerLite account. By enabling the double opt-in action, admin can ask permission from users if they want to subscribe to MailerLite or not. If the user already exists on your MailerLite account, it will update the contacts with other field information based on the email address. Then click the Next button to proceed. To save the integration process, click on Finish and Save. Now go to your selected task or form and type some information and save. Then open your MailerLite account to see if the data is going to your MailerLite account. Bit integration has an option in every integration called Timeline, where you can check integration success or error status. If the user already exists on your MailerLite account, it will update the contacts with other field information based on the email address. So now I'm going to my form and submitting the state with the same email to see if the data is being updated based on the email address. Thanks for watching.